In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge pages in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and then you want to click on Merge Pages just below it. Now, in here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different options inside pages, and you have the standard, which basically looks like this. You have a custom where you can customize it, or you can do Calculate, which basically will automatically calculate size based on merged pages dimensions. Now, I want this to be like that, so I'm just going to keep it on Calculated, and then here you can set your margins if you want to have them. That's completely up to you. I'm actually going to ignore this, and I'm going to have 0 mm margins over here, so no margins. And then over here you can also select your page range. If you want all the pages, current page, or just custom range of pages, you can set over here. I'm going to do all of them. And then here, of course, you have a bunch of different options. That is, of course, regarding page replacement or page placement and scaling. And here you have like multiple pages per sheet, or like a booklet over here, as you can see. So in case you want something like this, of course, you can achieve that as well. Completely up to you. I'm just going to do multiple per sheet, and again, calculate. There we go. And then here you can set how many pages per sheet you are allowing. You can select your page order over here. You can select if you want it to be reversed or not, and then you have like alignments and stuff like that. Now, whenever you set all these settings, by the way, there's the advanced settings as well, in case you want to, of course, select these two. And then here you can just click the OK button, and it's going to do exactly as you said. And as you can see, I've successfully merged the pages here inside PDF XChange Editor. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.